what's up? I'm Shane, and today I'm going to be giving you a quick grammar lesson about 3 things that people get wrong a lot. Have been, has been, and had been. Do you know how to use those? I'm going to show you how. Have been. Have been, these are all past tense ways of saying something. Have been, you would use the pronouns of I, you, and they. I have been to Europe. You have been to Europe. They have been to Europe. Has been. Has been, you use he, she, or it. He has been to Europe. She has been to Europe. It. Maybe they have a dog. It has been to Europe. Had been. This is where it gets a little tricky. So had been, you can use all of those. But here's how you have to know how to use this, because it also involves something else is continuing when you're using the past tense. So look, I'll show you right here. 1, okay, we would say I have been to Paris. I have visited Paris. It's the same way as saying that. 2, you could say, of course, he has been to Paris. She has been to Paris. It has been to Paris. But it gets a little tricky when you get to had been. So it means that something else is going on and continuing when you say that. You wouldn't say they had been to Paris. You could say they have been to Paris. It sounds better, but you would say had been in this situation. They had been sightseeing in Paris when FedEx left a package at their home. So what are they doing? They were somewhere, they were visiting somewhere, were sightseeing in Paris when something else was happening. You see? So you would not say they have been sightseeing in Paris when FedEx left a package at their home, or they had been sightseeing in Paris when FedEx left a package at their home. You would say had been when you're using a past tense form of saying something when something else is happening with that. So there you go. That's a quick little breakdown. So that'll help you with your grammar. So keep watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel. I got more coming. Thanks. I'm out.